my name is Chavi. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I've decided that I will be trying out some DIYs that you might have seen on Pinterest. So these will be the ones that you can actually use during this festive season in your homes. So yes, if you're interested, please keep on watching.
Number 1, ceramic glass vessel. Okay, so start up by cleaning and drying your glass if you are using an old one. Herein I'm using a new glass. Remove all the tags if any. Next up, take a masking tape and put it on your glass in the desired design. Herein I'm putting it horizontally. Moving on, pour some white acrylic paint in a bowl and add some baking powder to it. Don't overdo, otherwise you will be left up with this powdery thing. I added some water to liquidify it but ended up making a mess, since this was too diluted and we do not use water with acrylics. Moving on, time to do it all over again. Take some white acrylic paint, add some baking powder, go slow and stop when the texture is achieved. Add some other color depending on your choice. Also, we added white acrylic for the pastel color. It is not at all necessary or compulsory. Start painting your glass with this mixture. Baking soda gives that beautiful ceramic texture to the glass, as you all can see. Let it dry and later peel off the tape. Next up, I'm making this earthy green color and painting it all over the glass. You can see the beautiful texture that it gives. Moving forward, we will be making this rope basket, which is of course very self-explanatory, and you might have seen this all over Pinterest. You can use these baskets or boxes for storage purposes. These are very sturdy because of the rope and also very aesthetically pleasing. I started up by securing all the edges with cello tape and especially the lower side of the box. Applied Fevicol and started wrapping it up with the rope. Now you all can enjoy the satisfying process without me blabbering here. So this is how the box looks. Very simple, mainstream, but a classic DIY which never disappoints. Also wait till the end to see how I'm going to decorate and use it on Diwali. Next up we have this DIY Monstera drop dish. Draw and cut a leaf pattern on a piece of paper, trace it on the M-seal and cut it out. Herein I've used some M-seal, mixed equal quantity of resin base and hardener. You can find this at any stationery store or even at a sanitary ware shop. So one thing you have to keep in mind while using M-seal is that you have to be real quick with the procedure because it hardens very quickly. I flattened the M-seal with the help of a rolling pin. If you do the same, don't forget to wash it later. Now when you are done cutting out the leaf, take a round bowl or a dish. Sprinkle some talcum powder over it so the M-seal doesn't stick. Allow the M-seal to dry upside down over a bowl or a dish. Once the clay is fully dry, paint the dish with acrylic paint. Allow the paint to dry, then line the edges with a gold paint or a gold paint pen.
That is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. You know the drill. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. You will be notified every time I'll upload a new video. And I'll meet you next time. Until then, goodbye.